Bloomies! So today we have the cutest collaboration ever, and it's with rom&nd and Sanrio, and I love Kuromi, so this was a must review. Today we'll be trying out almost everything from the Sanrio and rom&nd collection. There was some stuff that were sold out on Olive Young, so I apologize in advance, but let's get straight to it. We've got two completely different vibes of products. My Melody has a lovely pinky mood, and they came with a palette, lip tint, BB cushion, and nail polish. And Kuromi has a punky mood, and they also have a palette, lip tint, BB cushion, and nail polish. Now with these adorable products, I'm going to show you guys two different styles of makeup, one with My Melody and another one with Kuromi. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the two versions of the cushions. My Melody's cushion pad is pink while the Kuromi one is purple, and I think these small details make it so much cuter. So the My Melody cushion only comes in shade 21, and the Kuromi version has 21 and 23. I'm usually shade 21, but the rom&nd collection for some reason is a lot brighter than usual, so I'll go with shade 23 today. The New Zero cushion applies very lightly with a semi-matte finish. It's perfect for those wanting a clear, transparent finish, but definitely not a cushion for maximum coverage. The limited shades is the only gripe that I have, but it is a Korean brand and I believe they have a lot more to go when it comes to offering different foundation shades. Now let's take a look at the Melody palette. This is the Better Than palette number 10 in my Cherry Garden. It covers all ranges from light peach, pink beige, rosy to brown shades. I was surprised at the color payoff of the shades. It blends really easily and each shade is more pigmented than I thought, which is a huge plus. The glitters are also so pretty. The first glitter has a peach pink beam. I think the second glitter can even be used as a highlighter since it's on the shimmery side, and the last glitter would be perfect for egg glitter. I like that the pink colored eyeshadows don't give a bloated look, and it gives more of a lovely perfect date day look. I know the Kuromi collection got a lot more attention, but honestly, realistically speaking, I think the My Melody palette will be more towards an everyday use, and I see myself using this a lot more than the Kuromi palette. Now let's take a look at the My Melody Dewy Water Tint. This soft pink shade is in shade 16 Cheery Pink. It applies really thinly with the perfect amount of gloss. It's a light and soft lip shade that gives a darker depth to your natural lip color. Even applying a second layer, it doesn't leave a tacky finish and gives a hint of a brighter pink. And this is how it looks when it's wiped off. It still leaves a subtle pink color onto it. I recommend the My Melody collection to those who like everyday use palettes and who also like shades in pink, peachy, that type of vibe. Now off to the Kuromi collection. I'm a little biased because I love Kuromi, so I would have to pick this over the other. But aside from that fact, the Kuromi palette itself has very unique color combinations that you don't really see in other Korean palettes. The Kuromi palette is more for those who like darker eye makeup looks, and it covers all shades from coral pink, plums, purples, taupes to black. The shades are definitely for those who like to try more colors on their eye makeup and are comfortable with bolder eye makeup looks. The glitters are also super Kuromi. The first one is a shimmery champagne with a violet beam, but this shade is my favorite. This one's an iridescent glitter with purple glitters to it. It has a very cool and mute violet finish to it, so this is definitely for those who have cool tone skins or like cooler tone makeup. Now we have the Kuromi tints, and I have two shades here, one in Custard Mauve and another in Cheeky Taro. Custard Mauve is actually another generic shade that they have, except they just put it in this Kuromi collection package, so it's not different at all from the standard Custard Mauve tint that they already have. It's kind of like the bare grape shade that they have, except with a bit more pigmentation. And now we have Cheeky Taro, which is exclusive for the Kuromi collection, and it's a lilac taro color like the name. It's very purple and has a violet hue to the finish. It's got a very ashy look to it, and it's a perfect duo with the Kuromi palette. And here's how it looks with a second layer. It's very pretty when you're going for a smoky eye makeup look. One more thing about the Kuromi collection is that it comes with the rom&nd Glasting Water Gloss. It's the same as the original, just in the Kuromi packaging. It's a transparent gloss with a slight plumping effect, and it also got really famous as the Changwon-young Duo Lip using the Bare Grape shade. Lastly, this is 2 coats of the Kuromi nail polish. A perfect finish to the Kuromi collection. So this was all of the Sanrio and rom&nd Whatever Girls collection. I did do a quick short on this video if you guys want to check that out as well. Please leave a comment below on which collection you would choose, My Melody or Kuromi, and press that like button if you like this video. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!